Find out how you can test an Ethernet cable to know if it is working properly or you have crimped it correctly. So today we are going to test an Ethernet cable, and I'm going to show you a step by step how you test an Ethernet cable to know if you have crimped it the correct way. So let's get after it. So the things that we normally use to test an Ethernet cable, you must have a battery. So this is a 300 mAh battery. It is a chargeable battery, so you can buy it at any available store or supermarket. Then we have a cable tester. So this is a cable tester that we use to test to check if the cable has been crimped properly. So it has some different ports. It has the RJ11 port and an RJ45 port. So this is the master, and this is the remote. So it has the same port. So it has RJ11, RJ45. On the remote, we have the RJ45 on the top and the RJ11 on the bottom. So after that, you require a crimped Ethernet cable. So this is a crimped Ethernet cable. So we are going to check if whoever crimped this cable crimped it the correct way. So what you do, we just come at the back of the cable tester. You come and insert your battery. So insert it like this. So after you have inserted it, you slide it back to its point. You close the cable tester. You can join them or you can separate them. What you do, you take your cable, the crimped cable, you insert one port on the master, that's on the RJ45 port, and you take the other cable, the other port, you insert it on the remote on the RJ45 port. So you enter like that. Once both of them has been inserted to the port, now you put your switch on. So as you can see, it's testing the cable. So it has 8 cables inside. So the cable must alternate. So if it's 1, it's 1. If it's 2, it's 2. 3, 3. It goes alternating until to the end point. So as you can see here, it is testing every cable, and it check if it has been connected successfully. So according to this check, that means whoever crimped the cable crimped them the correct way. So guys, you learned something and an easy way of how to test an Ethernet cable. So hope you learned something new, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.